Hey guys, we're going to demonstrate the Beam Bright plastic and vinyl restorer on a car mat. I took this out of my car, folks. This is a emulsion which protects plastic, vinyl, and rubber. It even works on barbecue grills, believe it or not. I have that in a separate video. But you want to check this out because of its hydrophobic. It repels water. The emulsions and the resins in here, the silicones also protect it, restore it, and to its natural beauty. I have never just washed this floor mat. I've never tried to restore it with this, so let's see what happens. And it also protects from UV as well because it's great for dashboards and so forth. This applicator comes with the kit, but this is kind of a little heavy duty. If you have another applicator, we can use that one, but I think because this has grooves in it, we're going to try this on a sponge. And of course I'm just putting a little dab on here just to see what we can do to spruce this up over here. Like I said, it does have little grooves in it, but I can tell the difference already of what's happening with it. This has got a nice fake fragrance to it, a nice orange citrusy. We can clean that up later. This is looking almost brand spanking new right now. Check that out. That looks good. And if we do the before and after, well, you can sure see the difference on that. That's for sure. That is remarkable difference. Look at that. Before and after over that one on just a regular car mat. Beam Bright headlight restoration kit. You can get this on Amazon, folks. Wow, look at that. Amazing.